Welcome to Big Red Leads. I am Big Red. I want to talk to you today about trying. If you don't succeed, try again. What I'm actually want to talk to you about is making mistakes. When you make mistakes, make them big, make them massive, make them so huge that they just simply destroy everything. Now, I'm not talking about being crazy and wild, or irresponsible. What I am saying is you're going to make mistakes. Understand that making mistakes is a part of life. It's a part of business. It's a part of your everyday. It's a part of your job. You're going to make mistakes. What you do after is what matters. That's where your character is built. That's where the lessons are learned. It's after you make the mistakes. Are you willing to make those mistakes and continue to move forward? That's the question. What do you do after you've made the mistake? Do you dwell on it? You sulk over it? You pout? You whine? You moan? Are you doing that? Well, my question really is, what do you do to get through that mistake? Making mistakes is just showing that you're actually trying new things, trying a different strategy, just a different way about going, a different procedure, maybe a different method, learning from a different coach, learning from a different teacher, like these lessons that we learn along the way, especially the mistakes that we make, usually when you look back upon them, those are actually the biggest lessons that you learn is from your mistakes. Whether it be with your money, whether it be in a relationship, whether it be at your job, whether it be just in the overall aspect of everything that makes up you. You learn from your mistakes. So continue to make them. And I'm not saying go out there and be irresponsible, once again, but what I am saying is make the mistake. You're not perfect, nor will you ever be perfect, but you should be striving for perfection. Understand that making mistakes is simply a part of life. It's a part of everything we do. As long as you're learning from them, understand they're not losses, they're lessons. Hope this helps. If you like the message, like, subscribe, definitely share. This is Big Red Leads. Have a great day. Go make some mistakes.